Are you looking to connect your Canon PIXMA TR4720 to TR4722 printer to Wi-Fi? In this video, I'll guide you through the manual wireless setup process using the printer's control panel. Don't worry, the setup is simple and I'll walk you through each step so you can get your printer connected quickly. Let's begin with the setup directly from the printer itself. Welcome to Print Smart Help. If you need instant support, you can call the number on your screen. On the printer control panel, press the Setup button to open the Settings menu. In the menu, scroll down and choose the Wi-Fi setup option. Then select the Manual Connect method from the list. The printer will now begin searching for nearby wireless networks. Wait a few seconds for the available Wi-Fi names to appear on the screen. If this tutorial is helping you, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more printer setup and troubleshooting videos. And if you run into any issue with your Canon printer, feel free to tell us in the comments section below. Once your Wi-Fi network appears on the display, scroll through the list and select your network name. Then press the OK button. The printer will now ask for your Wi-Fi password. Carefully enter the password using the printer buttons, then press OK to continue. After a successful connection, the printer will display a confirmation message saying it is connected to the wireless network. Press the OK button once again to finish the setup. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Print Smart Help for more printer tutorials. You can also contact us using the support numbers shown on your screen.